Hi, welcome back. Today's recipe is very simple. I'm gonna be making ham and cheese puff pastry. It's a recipe that you can whip out together in less than 30 minutes, so if you are expecting friends to come over or you forgot to prepare something for a party you're going to, you can always bring this quick savory snack. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please give me a thumbs up if you did. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe at this channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and I'll see you next time.